Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Rifai. I'm from Chemistry Education, Universitas Islam Indonesia. In this section, I'm gonna explain about my paper. With the title it is Utilization of Hydrogen Gas through Water Electrolysis Process, Galvanized Steel Electrodes as an Alternative Fuel. Alright, let's get started with introduction. As we know, energy is an essential component of human for survival because our activity is require energy. The primary energy source today it comes from fossil fuels that cannot be updated. Therefore, the energy available in nature is decreasing. Therefore, human life is now faced with the energy crisis and natural damage. To overcome the energy crisis, renewable energy derived from nature is needed to replace fossil fuels to be safer to use. One renewable energy that is currently being studied by scientists is hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen gas abundant in nature could be utilized as a future energy provider. I have a graphic. Based on the picture above, we can determine the graphic of emissions increase from 2000 to 2017. Based on the chart year range above the year with the highest pollution level, it is 2015, mostly caused by pit fires. In 2017, emissions from fire as well as pit fires can be reduced. So, what is the solution to solving the problems to replace fossil fuels energy? Introducing the hydrogen gas from water can be fire. So how we can convert the water to the fire? This is the key of method. The method is electrolysis, which is the electrolysis we have been learned it in a high school. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis is a method used for decomposition reactions in electrolytes with the help of an electric current flow. Electrolytes will dissolve in water, polar solvents, and it will be dissociated into several positive ions, which is cation, and some negative ions, which is anions. During this electrolysis process, there is a change in energy from electrical energy to chemical energy. So this is the reactions of water. The reactant is a H2O and the product it is H plus and OH-. Based on the reactions that occurred above, it can be sure to be electrolysis into hydrogen and oxygen gas. In cathode, H plus and reduction reaction produce H2 gas, while in anode there is an hydroxide oxidation reaction resulting in oxygen gas. I'm using electrolysis as a method and the tool it's called generator H2O. We use generator H2O to electrolysis water. H2O generator is composed of two necessary parts, namely generator tube, a pair of electrodes, and electrolytes used. There is a sodium hydroxide will be mixed into. Okay, I have the concept of generator H2O. This is a very simple tool that I've made. So I will explain one by one. This number one, it is a galvanized steel piece electrode that I'm using galvanized steel. It is for the this is a main point to electrolysis. And then number two is a screw 15 centimeter. The screw connecting to the battery for the electric power. Number three is a cable from the battery to the screw 15 centimeter. And then number four, it is a small hose to the output gas hydrogen. And number five is a needle. It is for a hydrogen gas output, and I burn it with fire. So it's gonna be like so the output fire it is number 5. So the fire will be out on number 5. Alright. So yeah, that's the K. I'm using electrolysis in a tool called H2O generator, and the result's gonna be like fire. I'm using generator H2O to separating H2O. The hydrogen and oxygen is gonna be separating into two components, oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen gas we use to turn on the fire. The hydrogen gas we use to fire. And the result fire is a slightly blaze yellow. The resulting fire is also still small. This happens because the gas produced is still in small quantity and a long duration of time. This is due to the small electrical current used. And the summary, based on the results of research and discussion, it can be concluded the water can be used to light a fire by an electrolysis method that require electricity of 14 volts and electrolytes in the form of sodium hydroxide. The fire produced from hydrogen gas is a yellowish blue, and the flame is not very large. Alright, I hope I can make a larger hydrogen H2O. I hope my next project I can make a generator H2O gas larger than this one. Alright, that's it from me. Thanks for hearing. I am Ahmad Rifai. See ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.